Hi there, it's LDake again with Kale Realty, your Illinois licensed broker. And today I just wanted to offer a few suggestions on how to do Valentine's right and it won't break the bank. Stick around. Okay, and we're back. So here's 5 ideas that I have for you that do not involve going to a restaurant. The first one, besides getting chocolates and a card, if you are normally not the one who does the housekeeping, believe me, it is appreciated if you do, and damn is it sexy. So go ahead and get that laundry done. Another idea that you can do is if you are going to go someplace different. Take a road trip. One place I can suggest is maybe just driving straight north to Milwaukee and going to the Public Museum. They have a butterfly room that you can walk in, and it is just amazing. Here's one. You've got a few days to plan for it, so you can definitely do this, and it won't cost you a lot, but your significant will really love it. Go through your phone. Every picture that you have of them, and especially ones that you have with each other, send those pictures over to get them developed like a Walgreens or something, and put them together in a really pretty photo album, and then give that as a gift. You will get an aww out of that. Now these next 2 items, yeah, they're food-based. This one here, I actually make this for my husband and I when we watch movies together. Don't that look good? That's actually my picture. And yeah, if you are going to be making a nice dinner, well, you might want to make a dessert. Surprise them. Make it yourself, but it's not really. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to the cookie section, get a graham cracker crust. In fact, you can even get little ones now, right? Then you're going to go over to the dairy section. Philadelphia actually makes cheesecake filling, so you put that in there. Go over to the produce section, get some strawberries, cut off the strawberry tops, put the strawberry upside down in it, then go over by the jelly. There is a specific brand I want you to look for. Bon Mamey, I think it's pronounced. It is the best strawberry preserves ever. Drizzle that on top. Boom! You've got amazing strawberry cheesecake. So I hope that helped you out. Again, I'm LDake with Kale Realty, and I'm wishing y'all a wonderful Valentine's Day. And remember, I always have time for you and your referrals.